What is up, guys? Sophie here, and I'm going to show you how to do polygels on your natural nails. So the first thing that you're going to do, and all the products will be listed down in the description box, is you can use a file, but I got this that you can see on the screen, and you want to file your nails on top because it helps the polygel adhere to your regular nails. And honestly, y'all, this has been such a money saver for me because during quarantine I started doing my own nails for an entire year, and I kind of feel like I might have saved $1,000. And so to me it's really simple. And here, just get an alcohol wipe to wipe the nails. I know my hands look ashy, but it kind of helps when your hand is dry. So this is a nail dehydrator that I got. This came in a set with all the nail polishes and stuff, and like I said, I'll leave it down below. So I just kind of use this more to dry out the nail, because the less oil that you have on your nails, the longer that your polygel is going to last. So then you're going to use a base coat. Specifically, you want to use one that has to do with gel, UV light type of stuff. Don't get a regular behind base coat. And then after you put the base coat on, obviously you're just gonna put it under the nail dryer, which I will also leave down in the description box so that your nails can dry, and you only need one coat. And then this particular base coat as well helps keep the polygels attached to your nails so that it can last longer. Now with this particular polygel, I'm gonna leave it down below, but I have a lot of different polygels. This polygel was a lot moldable to me, and so I'm gonna leave that specific one down below because you can kind of see that it's a lot easier to just and over what I'm dipping is the little gel, whatever it's called, to help mold the polygel. But I like this specific brand just because it's not very hard and it's easy to mold. This is kind of like acrylic or dip powder. If you can make it as thick or as thin if you want to. Try to make it a little thin for a natural look, but if you do a lot with your hands or manual labor or something, I don't know, then try to make it thicker so that they don't break, because it can break easily depending on how useful you are. So I don't make it that thin just because I do type a lot and I've had some issues with typing. And so the only thing you want to do is just literally pat it. Don't paint it, but pat it, and pat the whole nail, and try to make it as flat as possible, because if it dries and it's not flat, then it will be bumpy. And then I just kind of put this on 60 or 90 seconds and then let it dry. So once it's dry, I use this again to flatten it out. I'm gonna leave in the description box my other polygel tutorial where I actually use the polygel extenders to make my nails longer, because when you use the extenders, then obviously the surface is going to be smooth, but with the polygels, you really have to file to make sure it's smooth or your nail polish is going to be bumpy. And then just make sure that you shape your nails in the process. I shape my nails after I put on the polygel just because my nails are stronger. And this nail polish set is actually from a set of 12 or 13 nail polishes that come in a gel set, and this is actually a gel as well. You can get the polygel with color and just let it be that. I don't have a lot of polygel with colors, so I just decided to go with this one. And I'm putting one coat on first, and then I'm going to add an additional coat. And then just as an accent, I used this glitter gel, and this came in the same set that the blue one did. And so because you want to build it up, as you can see, it's kind of thin and you can see my nail under. You want to paint it on, and then you can put it under the dryer, maybe for 30 seconds. It doesn't have to be completely dry before adding the second coat. And as you see, I'm adding the second coat to all of the nails. And once everything is dry, you can feel free to clean up the nails. You see I have nail polish on my cuticle and stuff, just because the gel is a lot stronger. And also I like to add a second coat with the glitter, maybe even 3 coats with the glitter, just because it's glitter and it's so see-through. But this gel glitter to me is just so pretty because when it dries, it really does dry in a shiny, glittery type of thing. And then I just continue to put my nails under there for about 60 seconds. And then you want to get a top coat, which is very simple. Just put on a top coat. Once again, you want to get a gel top coat and then put it under the UV light, or else your nail polish will get messed up. So that is about it, guys. I think that is really super simple. And so don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check the description box, and I'll see you guys another day, another time. Bye, y'all. Not ready for the show to end? It doesn't have to. You can head over to my site where you can read hundreds of articles. And also you can feel free to shop my store where I have all of my products for sale. And last but not least, for even more video content, feel free to visit my YouTube channel where I talk about a wide array of content. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay blessed.